So, hi everyone. Today we have a special guest on our channel. We have Aniket with us. So, Aniket, would you like to introduce yourself once?
Sure, Ashish. Hi, Ashish. I'm Aniket Kumar. I'm currently working as a software engineer at Tata 1mg. And previously, I worked with CVT, a small startup in Noida, which is Core Value Technologies. And I'm a recent 2024 graduate. I've graduated from Guru Gobind Singh Triples University. It's a 3 college. Yeah, that's all about me. Thank you.
Nice, nice. So, we'll be getting to know his journey about how he cracked Tata 1mg, his interview experience, his preparation, and everything in between. So, Aniket, would you like to start us off with your interview experience of Tata 1mg? Like, what all happened? How was it?
Yeah, sure. So first of all, I reach out to my senior, like super senior. So he referred to me like in 1mg for SG1 position. So there were mainly 3 rounds, two DSA rounds and one LLD round. Last one is LLD round. So in first round, the interviewer asked me two DSA questions. Like first one was medium standard level on DFS, and second one was a medium to hard level on graph. So I solved both the questions. Basically, the interviewer asked me to use any ID of your own choice, and here I had to run all the test cases that he had given me. Okay, so this first round was lasted for around 50 minutes, and I was able to solve both the question. Yeah, that's it for the first round. Then after a day, I got a call from HR for the second round. Now in the second round, he basically the interviewer asked me to explain the company project that I was working on. Later on, he told me to draw the high-level diagram of the project that I'm working on the microservices on draw.io and asked me a few questions like the flow of data, why you are making this call to this microservices, why not this microservice, and this not type questions, why not this, why this, these like ask questions we ask on that high level diagram part. After that, he gave me one medium level DSA question on array and told me to directly write the optimized code. However, he was not satisfied with my solution, and he said that my solution is buggy. After spending a couple of minutes, I figured out the mistakes and handled the edge cases. That was it for the second round, but like I was bit this round was a bit dicey for me, so I didn't knew whether I would get shortlisted for the next round or not. And this round was again lasted for 60 minutes, I guess so. Okay, but on the but God grace, now on the same day, I received an email from the hiring team, from the hiring team that you have been shortlisted for the next round, which is the last round, managerial round. Okay, so the interview began, and he was one of the founding engineers of Tata 1mg. But he was pretty cool and chill. First, we had a normal discussion, like a normal chit chat about myself, my studies, hobbies, and all. He then started a rapid fire back-to-back technical dev questions like what is composer indexing, like SQL queries, asset properties, and all that. Then we had a great then we had a great discussion on like long discussion on API versioning in detail, like in depth, totally in depth. And apart from this, he also asked me about how composer index works internally. Okay. And then finally, he asked me one simple LLD question. I had to write all the requirement first. Then I have to list all the classes, keeping in mind that it should follow the solid principles. After that, he gave me one scenario that and asked me to design tables in such a way that normalization should follow. And later on, he told me to write some API signatures to add data into the DB and some questions on resume like about on my projects, why you have used this tech stack, and what will happen if I change this, what if I could add this functionality, is it some like proper, it's like a is a fully fledged code or is it flexible, something like these questions. And later on he asked me some typical HR questions like this main question is, why are you leaving your current company so early? You're almost being a fresher, it's been 5 to 6 months, and why do you want to join? Well, and these type of question. So that's it. And this round was lasted for around 1 hour 30 minutes. This was a long interview, but I knew that mera ho gaya isme, and after 3 days, finally after 3 days, I got a congratulation mail that you have been like we would like to present an offer to you. Yeah, that's all.
Do you want to crack your dream company, a company like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, or Flipkart? Then the best way is to learn from the people who are already working there. So I have a lot of engineers and senior engineers who are working in the top product based companies who can guide you on exactly what you need to do, what changes you need to make in your resume, and everything that you need to learn in order to not only get the interview call but crack the interview of your top product based company. And one great platform where you can connect with such individuals is TopMate. So I've given a link in the description. Go on that and go to TopMate, and you'll find millions of people who are in different companies, who are in top product based companies, who will be able to guide you on your exact scenario and make sure that you're able to crack your dream company. You'll be able to get things like interview calls, you'll be able to get things like referrals, mock interviews, and even a complete roadmap tailored to your situation. So, what are you waiting for? Go to the link in the description and connect with your idols right now. And now let's get back to the video.
The last one was very prominent. Last was proper. Is like it's like he deciding like you will be getting an offer or not. So apart from that, DSA and LLD is the only focus. Like they want to see on nothing else, as far as I knew. Okay, so basically, like what I used to do, like after 9 to 5 job, I used to send cold emailings to the founders of big tech startups, like Delivery, Licious, and side by side of grind lead code medium level problems only medium level. And only company specific. Like I started with Park Plus, then Newton School, and now and so on. Like only the decent, decent companies, like small to like big tech founders, just like in let's say Newton School, Swiggy, just like that. Not preparing for MNC because मेरा resume shortlist नहीं होता. That's why. I would say like just practice medium level questions and watch LLD videos and have some basic system design knowledge, and you are good to go.
All right. So, to the people who are watching this video, the job seekers, the freshers who are, just fresh out of college, they're also looking for a good product based startup, a good either a big tech company or a big tech startup. What advice would you like to give them?
Okay. So, let's suppose you're a fresher. Let's suppose whenever let's just according to me, whenever I see any LinkedIn post that states that DM your resume, this ABC company is hiring for XYZ role. So instead of reaching out to the one who posted a job, I reach out to the company's employee, other companies' employees, and told them to share my resume directly with the hiring team or with the person who has shared the LinkedIn post. So according to my belief, your chances of getting shortlisted will be much higher because your resume is shared by the internal employee, internal member. Okay, like for me, it took me 4 months to switch to a big company, and I got offers from 1mg, Gurgaon, and Digital Insurance Bangalore, plus tons of rejections like from Amazon, Browser Stack, Nike, and others. Okay, but then, like I previously mentioned, I used to do cold emailings. So now the question arises: how do I get the founder's email? So basically, a company person email is of three types. Like the first, like it is of like is like type is like first name dot second name at the rate company domain, or first name at the rate company domain, or first name dot second name first character at the rate company domain. So mostly through this way, you will get the email of anyone in the company. Just to hit and try. For example, if you check the Tata 1mg website, from there you will get the domain, which is @1mg.com. And my name is Aniket Kumar. So my possible emails can be either aniket.kumar@1mg.com or aniket@1mg.com or aniket.k@1mg.com. सो इन तीनों में से कोई एक ही मेरी ईमेल होगी एंड जस्ट डू हिट एंड ट्रायल एंड जस्ट सेंड ईमेल्स एंड कोई ना कोई ईमेल जो है वो पक्का चलेगी राइट so first one is this cold emailing. Second one is always take referrals. I've just mentioned that instead of sharing to that person because सब उसको connection request भेज रहे होंगे और सब उसको message DM कर रहे होंगे, I probability of like seeing your resume is very low. So instead of that, you can आप क्या करो, आप किसी और को भेजो जो इस कंपनी में काम कर रहा है एंड डायरेक्टली उसको रीच आउट करो, बोलो कि मेरे रिज्यूमे इस प्रोफाइल के लिए शेयर कर दिया अपनी एचआर टीम को, हायरिंग टीम को, रिस्पेक्टिव हायरिंग टीम को. इससे I got many opportunities like from Udan, from Credix, from Innovity, just by doing this only. And ये method work करता है, मेरे लिए किया है तो आपके लिए भी करेगा, right? So and always take follow-ups on your cold emails and apply jobs via referral only. Like trust me, Ashish, I got many opportunities in small startups. Like HR called me and said, ki, I will give you the interview opportunity. Please stop mailing us. Like itna like मैंने इतना cold emailing किया. So in my opinion, always knock the door, put some extra efforts, hunt for opportunities, and grab the one. like and you can do what you can do, join job posting groups and make your LinkedIn feed great. Like मेरे LinkedIn feed भी LinkedIn feed ऐसी है कि like every scroll मुझे एक job दिखी जाती है. And apart from this always practice medium level DSA questions. Like मैं तो medium करता हूँ, you can also try hard, but I've seen like mostly companies medium level तक ही पूछती है. And it's up to you, and start with easy then medium, and you can increase your level. And read hard questions on computer fundamental subjects like DBMS, OOPS, OS, networking, and go through the core concepts of Java. Like in whatever language you code, like sometimes interviewer asks on language specific questions, right? And sometimes interviewer asks on, like, let's suppose I'm coding in JS, so maybe the interviewer asks what is coercion, or and any core concept of JavaScript, right? And and have some basic knowledge of system design, LLD and HLD. You know all the why questions on your projects, like why you have done this. Like I mean, किसी आपने project कहीं से copy paste भी किया है, तो still you should know each and every part of that project, right? And before giving any interview, watch company archive questions only. मैंने literally यही किया है. Like it's like कि uh, it's like कि week में मेरा 5 days interview schedule होते थे. Like I'm planning to post a LinkedIn post. I'm planning to like where I show my calendar कि like in every week 5 दिन तो interviews है ही. So in very short time I have, तो सबसे अच्छा हमारी helping hand होता है company archive question. You will get on GFG, Ambition Box, Glassdoor, and hell lot medium articles, and from you will get from seniors too. Okay, so for freshers, okay, so for freshers, check out Soumyajit YouTube channel for LLD and pseudocode for system design basics. Very good playlist. I mean, like is like almost 20-30 videos, and each video is like of 5 to 6 minutes, and easily 3 days में हो जाएगा. And yeah, you're good to go. Just practice and apply, and after apply put some extra efforts, like a small text to HR for that post, a little bit extra efforts after applying,
Hmm.
that's it.
Right, right, right. And the advice that he has given about applying, that is truly gold advice. This is something that you can follow for reaching out to people the way that he has said. Because the people, it's very true. The people who have posted about the job opening, they'll be getting so many connection requests, so many messages, that there will be very low chance of them seeing your message. But this internal way that he has mentioned, right, that if you find any other employee, because the company will have hundreds of employees, many of them will not be getting any message, they'll be free on LinkedIn, and they'll be more accommodating to
Mm,
you. So definitely this is some advice that you can try for increasing your chances of getting the interview call, because that is the biggest hurdle that we face, not being able to get the interview call. Apart from that,
yeah,
like you
true, true.
mentioned, the medium level DSA question, I feel if you're able to solve medium level DSA question on lead code, you will be able to go through 95% of interviews of any company.
Yeah, yeah, for
Very
sure, for
rarely
sure.
someone asks hard level question. Majority lead code medium hard
Mm,
will be there, right? Lead code medium, if you're able to do, you'll be able
mm.
to clear all the interviews, है ना?
Exactly,
Hmm.
exactly.
Right, right. Okay, so I think that covers pretty much
Right.
everything about his interview experience and journey. So thanks a lot, man, for coming on my channel and sharing your journey with me and my subscribers and the people watching. I'll also give his LinkedIn in the description. So make sure that you show him some love there and give him a follow on there. So yeah, thanks a lot for coming, man. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ashish. Thanks again for having me, and yeah, it's been good.